Now if we have 8 students in year 1, 7 in year 2, and so on and so forth, so total revenue would be total fee multiplied by number of students. So this is our total revenue. If we have to understand one key concept, how to recognize the revenue as per our financial year. Now if we see over here, our financial year is from July to June, and this is our academic year. From here you will also understand the core concept of academic year and financial year and its effects on its financial statement. If you have to prepare financial statements monthly, so we will not charge any revenue in the month of July and August. So this will be 0 and 0. As far as September, month of September is concerned, this total revenue divided by 10, and just copy it and paste it. Reason: as per revenue recognition criteria set by IFRS 15, we have to recognize the revenue if these 5 conditions are met. Number 1, identify the contract with the customer. It may be oral or it may be in written. So contract with your customer means in this case it is your parent or student. You have some written agreement that the session will be start from month of September to June. Then identify the performance obligation. In our case, performance obligation is the tuition fee, tuition services, and at the result of that tuition services we will get the tuition fee. Determine the price. We have already determined the price. Allocate the price to the performance obligation. This is important in the contract. So our performance obligation is providing the services term basis, term 1, term 2, term 3. This is the total. So if we have to divide this by 10, so this will be our monthly performance obligation, right? And this total months are 10, so this into 10, 27,000. Now this is very important. Recognize the revenue when the performance obligations are satisfied. When you satisfy the performance obligation, then you have to recognize the revenue. So in the month of July 24 and August 24, we haven't satisfied any performance obligation. There is possibility you might have received the full fee in the month of, maybe you receive full fee in the month of July, but you will start your performance obligations to satisfy from the month of September to December, January to March, and April to June. So monthly you will be satisfying the performance obligations, which is you are providing the tuition fee services. So we will record the total revenue as 1535. However, if we have to break down monthly for the sake of understanding, in the month of July and August you will not recognize any revenue. So this is the total revenue for the year. So here, if our total fee was 1535 for the full year, for full school, but if we distributed into months, we haven't recognized in the month of July and August. However, we have recognized in the coming months.